Okay, so you will have heard by now that we're talking about using video teaching for some of our services and some of our campuses at Alpine Church. And what we mean by that is using the teaching that we currently have now, just with the teaching team you're used to and the teaching pastors that everyone's accustomed to. But instead of having live teaching at every campus, we're talking about doing some video teaching, recording those messages and showing them on Sunday morning via video. Now we're going to roll this out first at our Layton campus in the month of June.
So what we've done to help with this transition is create a series of short videos to explain why we want to do this at Alpine Church. You see, we've been talking about this for quite a while as a staff and rolling this idea around with several of our leaders. And as we've talked about this, we've encountered some questions and objections and concerns. And so we've really taken the time to think through why we would consider this option. And so we'd really encourage you, if you have questions about this, to check out this series of videos. Now, these videos are short videos, just 3 to 5 minutes long, but they sort of explain in a series why we do what we do at Alpine Church. The first video talks about our mission, which is very simple. It's to help people pursue God. That's the filter through which we evaluate every decision, including this decision. In the second video, we talk about the pathway. We don't just want to say, here's our mission. We actually have a practical pathway to carry that mission out. In the third video, we talk about our Sunday services and how those are just a key part in this pathway of helping people pursue God. In the fourth video, we talk about how we are a multi-site church, what that means and what that means for us in the future. And then in the fifth video, we specifically address the whole concept of video teaching, why specifically we feel like this is a very positive and practical direction to go. And in the last video, what we do is talk about some of the FAQs. Again, as we've talked to a lot of people, we seem to encounter a lot of the similar questions. And so what we thought we'd do is just address a handful of the most common questions and try to give clear answers as to why that is.
So here's how you find those videos. What you need to do is go to our leaders website at go.alpinechurch.org, and you'll find all 6 of those videos. And again, they're short, they're brief, but we encourage you in small groups to watch these videos. Let's get the word out. Let's make sure we get on the same page. Leadership teams, even in families, watch these videos together, answer those questions together as a team or as a small group or as a family. And let's just make sure that we're understanding why we're doing this in this transition. And those videos are designed just for that. So check it out at go.alpinechurch.org.